Central tendency, we talked about mean. Mean is nothing but the average, and in Excel, the function which we use is called average. Let's take a look at a quick example. Yeah, you just give the average of a particular range. So here, the average of 20, 26, 47, 54, 63, and 14,500. Mean value is 2,451. Now, in fact, if you see the median, it's more accurate. Let's look at median. Okay, before that, average if, let's discuss. Average if is a very simple function. Just like you have average, but you put the range. Let's say in this, the first example you can see is average of C4 to E7. So this is the complete set of data which we are using.